Hello. So it's another buy cheap video. I got this in the mail. I got two of them. Well, one of them says I cannot feel what it is and says here one piece and a very infinite value. And let's see. And of course it's a knob. I bought this from eBay, and I bought it because I kind of need 3 of these. I bought first 2, and after that I brought 1 of these. But the problem is that first 2 it didn't really get to me, and it got to me this one. Now this was like I think 90 cents or something, or 80 cents on eBay, and the same thing, and including more ugly, I can buy from my local dealer, but it will be like 2 or 3 euros. Okay, so I need these knobs for this power bank that I'm building, and this that I already have here. For example, I bought it from the local store, but it was like €2.50, and that's a lot of money. And I mean it's more uglier than this one. And because I bought like the majority of these things on the eBay, I decided to buy this that was like less than €1. Now this is, I feel it like very quality one, definitely much better quality than this one. And it says here on the description, it said it will fit this part, so it fits. Let's see if I can, and it feels nice. Okay, so this is very nice. Actually, it's very nice. I bought a big one like this because that way I can like operate it more easy, because it's big, and the torque, it will be more easy to control. Compared with this one, well, the tune will be, it is better. Okay, let's see. Obviously on this kind of pot it works perfect. Let's see if on this other kind. And again, flawless. So this knob is perfect. It's exactly what I bought, and it fits perfect to my application. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it here. Okay. Now the next thing that arrived yesterday, it's this, and says on it one LED. Well, I never bought one LED. I just bought a bunch of them, like 5. Let's see if it's the case. Yeah, so these are 3 watts LEDs, yellow light, I think it's 3500 K, the temperature of the light, and it says here 3 watts LED and something else, but I don't know, I don't understand that, probably in Chinese something, but this would be interesting to see. Okay, so I have here my unfinished bench power supply, and I soldered on the LED 2 leads, that way I can connect to it more easy. And it says that it needs like, okay, I just put it the other way around. It needs like 3.6 to 3.8 volts. Okay, so I have it in constant current right now. I'm gonna raise that up. It says it will do like 700 milliamps. And at 3.8 amps, well, it gets a little hot, but it's very bright. Now it's well soldered under this star, because all the heat goes straight into the star. I don't really feel any kind of heat into the bulb. Okay, this is just a piece of stock that I have around, and it will help me control the heat of the bulb. So yeah, this is nice. And it's very bright. So very happy with what I brought.
Okay, so this is the page where I bought it. New high quality control rotary knob for 6mm Knurled Shaft potentiometer, and it was sent to me by goes by, and it cost me 94 US cents with free shipping, of course. Now this is the one that I bought, and I bought two more before. Those were like $189, both of them. These didn't get to me yet. And the LEDs, well, 1 watt, 3 watts high power cold one, 3000K, 4000K LED, 20mm star PCB. It will be this one. I bought the neutral one, I think 5 pieces of 3 watts. It was sold to me by 2012 Top Deal. All 5 of them were like $138 with free shipping, of course. Now on the specification part, on the specification description, says here the 3 watts LED with neutral light that I bought. It's forward current of at 3.8 volts. It will be like 700 milliamps, and a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Bye.